How to pin messages in Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of pinning a message in Messenger. Let's learn how to do it. Open Messenger on your device. You will land on the chat section. Open the conversation in which you want to pin your message. You can pin a sent message or you can even pin a new message on Messenger. Long press on the message that you wish to pin. A menu will pop up and you will see the option to pin. Tap on it. Once you pin a message, there are two things to notice. First one is, just above the message, you will see pinned with a pin icon. Second one is, at the end of your conversation, you will see a text written as you pinned a message, see all. You can tap on see all to view all pinned messages. Note that with the recent update on Messenger, end-to-end encryption is now enabled by default and there isn't any possible way to turn it off. In an end-to-end encrypted chat, the option to pin messages is currently unavailable. Tap on the info icon at the top to check if the conversation is end-to-end encrypted. Just below the name of user, you will see end-to-end encrypted message if it's turned on. For now, this conversation is not end-to-end encrypted and because of that, I was able to pin messages. Now, I will prove you that messages cannot be pinned in end-to-end encrypted chat. For that, let's turn on end-to-end encryption. Scroll down a bit. Under More Actions section, you will see the option for Go to Secret Conversation. Tap on it. As you can see, this conversation is end-to-end encrypted. Send a new message to the user. Long press on the sent message. A menu will pop up. You won't be able to find the option for pin. Even accessing more options won't reveal the pin option. Messenger may roll out this feature of pinning messages on end-to-end encrypted chats in the near future. So please don't panic on why weren't you able to pin messages like me. It's maybe the case that end-to-end encryption is enabled. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to pin a message on Messenger. That concludes today's tutorial. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.